Hello everyone. Welcome to Shubhangi's coding channel. Okay, I'm a mentor, Sophia, and today we are going to be learning a teaching app, and this is going to be the part one. So, I have two windows opened. Okay, I'm going to show you. Okay, so this window I'm going to use for teacher. So I'll just click on the start button and this login screen will appear. Okay, I'll just enter my name as Sophia. I'm going to be the teacher just for the profile. So I will enter my age as 30 and I'm here to teach. So this window will open. In the second window, this screen will appear. I'll click on the start button and when my name is Sana and my age is 10 and I'm here to learn. Okay, so here I will write hello Sana, hello, is this Sana and click on the send button. Here I will click on the receive button. So as you saw, it was real time. Okay, so I can say here, let's, okay, first the student will see if it's yes, she is going to type yes. Okay, and some, if no, this is like say Sumit. Okay, so you can write anything then. Okay, and one more feature I have added. See, if the teacher types let's do Google Meet, then and she clicks on the send button, automatically a hidden button will appear. If we click on it, click on continue, then it is going to open Google Meet. And you can even give a specific link of it. Okay? Cool, right? Okay, and then you can type this app gave me link as I typed. Okay. Okay. Yep. So let's start creating it. Open a new tab in Google Chrome. In the URL, type code.org. As you all know, sign in if you have not. Your Google account's name will come in. Click on create and we are creating this in App Lab. So click on App Lab. So now in this first part, we are mainly going to design these screens. Okay? Not much of code, a little bit of code, but mostly we are going to design the screens. So in this first screen, I'm going to change the ID to start screen. First, we are going to create screens, then design them, okay? And click here on new screen. So the second we want to login screen, okay? And you can do one more thing in this design toolbox, just drag and drop a screen name. It will automatically become. And when the ma'am is typing message, this screen we want to name teach screen. Okay. And this screen where student is typing, we want to name it learn screen. Okay. So now let's design them. So first the start screen. In the start screen, I want to do the theme. Okay, you can do any theme you want. Let's choose something good. Okay, let's choose this peachy. So add a label. Okay, in the label type welcome to teaching app. Okay, and we are going to make a start button. So we will write click start button to start teaching or learning. Okay, and you can even write like something like hope you enjoy. Okay, and make this it bigger, and it's so small text, so we are going to increase the font size also. Okay, I think let's do it 30. 30 is good. Okay, now as we wrote that click start button, so add a button, name it as start. Let's change its color to a little lighter orange. Wait, I will just see this and do the same for this. Yeah, and I'm going to choose the text color. Yep, text color dark. Okay, so that it's visible. And now the font size. I'll add it like here. Okay, and to make it more look like a real app, I'm going to do one thing: add an image. Okay, click here, choose, go in icons, and to teaching app, I'm going to add this image. Okay, comment O. So add it in the up and add another. Okay, okay, you can do any other you want. Mhm. Okay, so I think I will choose this one. Yeah. So now we are going to create the login screen. So in login, the theme is playtime. Okay. So see, in the app, I'll just show you. Yeah. See, this image isn't really necessary. If you want, you can add. If you don't, it's totally okay. So added two text inputs, one button, one here and one here. Okay, so now let's name them. The first text input, I'll write a name so that the user will get to know you have to write your name. And here, age. In this button, I will write I am here too, so that we can get to know that the user is teacher or student. According to that, she will get to directed to different screens. Okay, and I'm going to change the font size a little bit. Yeah, in here I'm going to write teach. In here I'm going to write. So, and the buttons text text size I'm doing 19. Okay, 19 is okay with me. Yeah. So now let's design our other screen, which is the teach screen. See, you can just delete learn screen. Okay, I will tell you why. Go in the Yeah, delete it. Now go in the, let's say, teach screen. Okay. In teach screen, do the theme, this one, and then add a text area. And it's a very important thing that you have to scroll down in text area and do read only. Okay. Now we are going to create a text input. See here, this is like a button. If you can just go in image, you can choose, okay, and right here, get like this. But if you want to get it like button, then add a button. Okay, click on image, choose this, and you can just simply remove the text so that the image is visible properly. Okay, like this. If you want the image, you can do like that also. Yep, so remove the text, scroll down, get the image option, choose. Okay, and this. I will place it over here. Okay, now why deleted learn screen? Because you can just duplicate it because we want the same things. Okay, screen ID, name it learn screen. Okay, and then you can just change the theme to playtime. Now our designing is done. Okay, so let's do a little more code as I told in the starting, a little code. So first of all, I want to do that when my user clicks on button 1, which is start, then we want it to go to the login screen. Set screen, okay, login. And when the teacher or the student has entered the details like the name and the age, and it is a teacher, so it clicks on button 3. Then we want to direct it to the teach screen. But if it's a student and it clicks on the button 4, then we want to set screen to learn screen. Okay, this much code only we are going to do for now. Okay, this is in text. Okay, if you do text coding, then do this code. If blocks coding, this code. Yep, so let's do one more thing of the Google Meet. Okay, so how to do that? So just, and this thing is only applicable when the teacher is typing Google Meet. Okay, then only. So open a new tab. First of all, write google.meet. Then see, google.meet actually link is google dot, not google.meet. It is this one, okay? meet.google.com slash question author equals 0. Okay, so copy this URL. How to copy? Just put, okay, how to copy a URL. So just place it here, do Control A, right click, and do copy. So it's copied. So see, now what we want, that if the teacher is sending the message and it's equal to Google Meet. Okay, so on event button 5 is clicked, that means she is sending the message. And if it equals to, okay, so she's clicking on the button 5, and if the message equals to Okay, first of all, we want to check. So get text input 3 equals to let's do Google Meet. And see, you need to be very careful about this because see, it's your choice if you want to add a mark like this and the first letter should be capital or not. Okay, and a full stop is there or not. Okay, so you need to be very careful about what you're entering. Okay, so then we have to create a button. Okay, so let's create the button. Go in design, add a button over here, type over Google. Just scroll down and you know create the color a little dark. And as I told you in the starting also that the button is hidden. Okay, we only want to show if this if condition is true. Okay, so put show element. Okay, the ID is button 9. Okay, so now when the teacher is interested into seeing this feature, so she clicks on the button 9. Then scroll down in UI controls, put the last block, open URL, and we have already copied this URL of Google Meet. So just right click over here, wait a second, you get it all selected. Okay, and then when you're typing, why isn't it showing or option to? What you can do, just do Control V and it will paste the link. So this code in text, if you do text coding, I'm showing. Pause the video and see it. Yep. So now in blocks. So it will open Google. So that is it for part 1. We are going to learn. Watch the part 2 video also. Okay. And then Google Meet feature. I'm going to show. Google Meet. Continue. Okay. So bye bye everyone, and don't forget to rename your project to Teaching App Real Time. Okay, and you can write 2021 or anything. So click on save and watch me. Okay, in the part 2.